Predicting an enhanced readiness in this typhoon and flood-prone city, Science and Technology Secretary Renato Solidum Jr. has awarded the agency's 20 million peso grant for the provision of mobile command and control vehicle to the city government on March 16 late afternoon here.
Nabanggit na po kanina kung anong kahalagahan ng mobile command and control. Ito po ay pwedeng tumulong sa mga lugar na nawalan ng communication, lalo na pagtapos ng isang disaster tulad po ng bagyo, na kadalasan nasisira ang mga communication lines.
The car has also been stocked with emergency medical equipment and a rescue boat for rapid response. Designed to last during calamities, the car has solar panels and a backup generator which can self-sustain for up to 32 hours. It is built for immediate deployment and becomes fully operational within 20 minutes, the DOST chief added. Ecstatic with the new provision for disaster resilience, Mayor Myla Tingke said the vehicle would be a big help against disasters.
Nung narinig kong nagbibigay kayo ng MoCCoV sa ibang lugar, sabi ko, sandali, bakit ang TUGUEGARAO City nakalimutan? Sabi ni Secretary sa akin, ikaw talaga, kung ano-ano na nasasabi mo sa akin. Sabi ko, si Sir naman, kami kailangan talaga kasi kawawa naman kami dito. We're disaster prone, no? And we admit to that fact. While we're at it already, let us be called up todo-todo. Kasi alam natin, he has the power, the capability, and the heart to keep giving TUGUEGARAO City what it needs for us again to be able to move forward.